How are you, everybody? I'm Charlie Zhang. I'm the founder of OC Music Dance. We're here to welcome you and we'll engage you. Let's building our beautiful school together. Let's have a fun.
My name is Douglas Freeman. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Orange County Music and Dance. And having the T.O.P program here in our school has been a great honor to us, and we are thrilled to have them here.
Hi there, my name is Leandro Glory Damasco Jr., simply known as Leon. I am a dancer, choreographer, performer, photographer, dance filmmaker, and comedian. If anything, the one thing that I want the dancers to take from me and from this program is that actually it's more of a reminder that they are a powerful, unique individual, that their dance artistry only begins once they take control of it, that they realize they have a voice, that they can make choices, and I look forward to what they do in the future because they are very talented.
Hi, my name is Mike Esperanza. I am from New York City. I came to T.O.P Awards to teach contemporary and dance film. This film was inspired by the movie Interstellar. I've been always interested in Christopher Nolan's work, and I love this piece of music. I've never used it before, so I really wanted to use it for a film. It's something very celestial, very kind of intimate, and very vigorous with movement and light. And so when we got into the studio and we tried to figure out how to use the space, how to use the light, we came up with this concept of space and infinity and celestial kind of experience.
Hi, my name is Francine Eskenazi in Newport Beach, California. My daughter is Jordan Eskenazi. Jordan has really grown this week. I'll tell you, I'm just very impressed. The program is very, very incredible. The way they approach it is not just about learning dance and skill. It's also about discovering who you are as a dancer and really focusing on bringing out the leadership in each child.
Hi, my name's Dr. Robert Tsai. I'm a physical therapist from Dance Prehab, a physical therapy and performance here in California. And today's session was about injury prevention, and the important part for us when we have this conversation is understanding that injury prevention can mean a lot of different things. And so we really talked about what it means to prepare the body, not only in terms of warming up, but what does it mean to warm up muscles? What does it mean to warm up tendons? And what are these principles of building capacity and preparation so dancers can really have that injury prevention mindset as part of their regular daily training practice.
My name is Yuan Tan, and I born and raised in Shanghai, China, and I was the principal dancer with San Francisco Ballet for over 29 years. I'm very honored to be here for the T.O.P Award as a judge. Some of the dancers created a piece for themselves, which is very nice, and I just give some suggestions. Maybe they can emphasize something within their strength. And always movement is a key for dance, and also make them to think about story, how you present the piece they are dancing.
It's always such a joy to nurture and help develop the next generation of artists, thinkers, dancers, movers, groovers, and how lucky are we to be here in the Orange County community working with such beautiful young talent. It's been such a great day. Just today, I got to know the dancers and coach them and work with them on their solos. Each one of them has something special. Each one of them has a story. Each one of them has been trained somewhere, maybe other different type of training, but they all have something very, very special. So thank you everyone for making this possible, for our community to be able to take in the talent, help them, and move Orange County forward.
Go.
Hi, I'm Jane. I'm the founder of DPAC, and welcome to DPAC.
you're from and what do you do first.
Okay, sure. My name is Kristen Hakala. I am from Southern California and I am a ballet teacher. I've been very impressed with the students here in Malaysia. I have seen them to have a very strong technique, a great technical base, and just as importantly, I've seen this real open-mindedness, open-heartedness, and an energy and a desire to really learn the most that they can.
I'm gonna put this right here, okay? All right, so the first thing is just introduce yourself, your name, your age, and where you dance at.
Okay. Hi, my name is Charmaine. I'm 14 years old and I'm currently dancing in Dance Space. Okay, I joined T.O.P program because I just started ballet like 1.5 years ago, and I feel like this sport is very elegant, and when I found out about this program, there's like jazz and contempt, which is like two different genres of dance, and ballet as well. I want to learn more about ballet. So jazz and contempt was something quite new for me, and I wanted to find out what it was.
Hi, my name is Lisa Don-Malrive and I teach jazz and musical theatre. So far what was really surprising on the first day was not many students had taken jazz at all, especially the older group. I think there was only one, so that's quite shocking to me. But I'm also feel really lucky to have brought that other dance form to them. And they really seem to have so far really enjoyed the different music, the different way of moving, and just shifting them in a different way, to move in a different way and being aware of where it comes from. The younger group seemed to, a lot of them had done jazz before. I think it's more musical theatre. And that's also been a journey just to make sure that they have the right foundations and understand what it is that they're doing and how it can progress and really help them overall as a dancer and an artist.
Can I just use that for a sec, just so we know it's your parents?
Hi, I'm Ivan. I'm the father of Isis Tian from Dance Space. And this is my wife, Shirley. Yeah.
I'm Shirley Chang, Isis Tian's mom.
From my point of view is the communication, right? So if you have a good communication with your daughter and understand her perspective, not just on my own perspective, I guess there's a way that we can work things out instead of having both heartache banging together. That would sort of like open up and then have a better understanding between the father and the daughter. So, and what is her perspective, and we will support her as best as we can.
Hi, my name is Moni Adamson and I'm from Orange County. So this is my first time working with T.O.P Awards and I'm honored to be here. And also I just really enjoyed working with the kids today, especially for tap, which is what I'm doing. A lot of times they have preconceived notions of tap and I love the fact that they came in with an open mind. And also I tried to take the tap in a different direction for them, make it more about the rhythm make it more about kind of a hip-hop style so that it would be something that they could connect to. And I feel as though they really embraced that, and I was proud of everyone in the room.
Don't you sing that? Okay. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Hi, my name is Aliana Nassos. I'm 11 years old and I dance at Hasmika Miriam Ballet Academy. I decided to join Top Awards because it seemed like a really incredible experience to get to expand my territory of dance, not just ballet and contemporary and the things I do every day, but to keep learning. When I grow up, I want to be maybe a professional dancer, go maybe to a professional company. Whatever is sent my way, I am willing to do that.
Hi, I'm Jenny Poulos Nassos, and I have Aliana, age 11 at Top, and Georgia, age 7.
I'm Jonathan Nassos. I am Georgia and Aliana's dad.
I would say never give up on your dream. I'm 52 and still pursuing my dreams, and you can do anything. If you work hard and be a unicorn, you can break all barriers. So I would say don't ever, ever give up. If you don't win this competition, you keep going and give it your all. And most importantly, have fun. There's such a joy in it all. So
I would agree with that.
Good answer, Dance Dad.
Just give me your favorite color, okay? Ready, and go for it.
Hi, my name is Xiaolong Wang. I'm 11 years old and I dance at Xinjiang Dance Studio, and my favorite color is lavender.
Your thoughts.
Okay.
Speak freely, okay?
Make sure to get my good side.
Which one's your good side?
All right. I'm Delilah Koyman, and I'm 17 years old, and I'm currently dancing at South Coast Conservatory.
Alrighty, good. All right, let's start by introducing ourselves. Your name, age, where you're currently dancing.
All right. Hi, my name is Andrew Dove. I'm 16 years old, and I dance at Focus Dance Center.
Nice, Andrew. Can you tell me how you started dancing?
I started at 4 years old, and I was watching like the kids dance, and it really made me want to dance.
Can you tell me why you joined Top Awards?
Yes.
I need to get used to putting myself out there, so I'm really just trying to try new styles and give it my all and do my best while I can.
Nice. Talk about the 2 days of classes.
The classes were amazing. It's been so helpful. I've gotten to do styles that I didn't think that I was any good at or wouldn't enjoy, and was pleasantly surprised.
I enjoyed contemporary and improvisation because before I was really scared of improvising, but now I know how to describe myself. Yeah.
Good. I like that. Can you tell me what you want to do when you grow up?
That's definitely been a big source of grief in myself personally. I've struggled with deciding whether or not I want to pursue dance or something more realistic, theoretically, but I think that as a career, I do want to pursue dance, whether that means being a professional dancer, being a dance teacher. I know that it's in my soul and in my blood, and that's really all that I know that I want to do with my life.
Any last words to your parents, your fans?
I love my mom and dad. Thanks, guys.
1, 2, 3.